Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into council. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Parliament, which means a legislature similar to the UK Parliament in other nations and states. Parliament. For example, the Russian Parliament. Number 2. Diet, which means a legislative assembly in certain countries. Diet. For example, the budget was passed by the Diet's lower house. Number 3. Government, which means the group of people with the authority to govern a country or state. Government. For example, the government has announced defence cuts of £1 billion. Number 4. Cabinet, which means in the US a body of advisors to the president, composed of the heads of the executive departments of the government. Cabinet. For example, the first meeting of the new cabinet. Number 5. Administration, which means the management of public affairs. Administration. For example, the inhabitants of the island voted to remain under French administration. Number 6. Assembly, which means a group of people gathered together in one place for a common purpose. Assembly. For example, an assembly of dockers and laborers. Number 7. Corporation, which means a group of people elected to govern a city, town, or borough. Corporation. For example, the corporation refused 2 planning applications. Can you think of other examples? Please share them in the comment section below. Hitting the subscription button is the best way to stay connected. See you in the next video.